What if your brand could see the future? Imagine knowing what your customers will love next month or even next year before they do. Hi, I'm Rohit Shetty, and today we're diving deep into a fascinating frontier in marketing called predictive branding. It's where data science meets cultural intuition, where AI doesn't just analyze what people did, it predicts what they will do. So, what exactly is predictive branding? It's the process of using AI driven predictive analytics to anticipate emerging consumer behaviors, cultural shifts, and emotional trends before they fully form. Think of it as building brand relevance not through reaction but through proactive foresight. In a world where brand life cycles are shrinking and culture changes by the week, predictive branding gives marketers an edge, helping them stay ahead of both competitors and consumer expectations. Now, let's talk about the tools that make predictive branding possible. AI isn't just about chatbots or automation anymore, it's about pattern recognition at scale. Some of the leading predictive tools and systems in brand forecasting include 1. Google Trends with AI layering. Not just showing what's trending today, but when those trends peak and fade. 2. Brandwatch with AI sentiment tracking helps brands understand emotional velocity or how fast a cultural conversation is heating up. 3. Swan Data, a predictive analytics firm that analyzes billions of online conversations to spot emerging trends months before they go mainstream. 4. Databricks and AWS Forecast, for brands building custom predictive pipelines that integrate CRM, social, and behavioral data. These tools combine machine learning, social listening, and cultural analytics to map patterns that the human eye might miss, like a subtle rise in eco conscious conversations or shifts in microaesthetics on TikTok. Let's look at how this works in real life. Netflix. Netflix doesn't just track what you watch, it predicts what entire cultural groups will want next. Its predictive engines analyze metadata from viewing behavior, geography, and even emotional tone to forecast emerging genres. That's how they greenlighted hits like Money Heist and Squid Game. These weren't random bets, they were data backed predictions of cross cultural storytelling trends. Nike. Nike uses AI driven forecasting to stay aligned with both cultural and product trends. By integrating predictive analytics from social conversations, fitness data from wearables, and influencer content, Nike spots shifts in sports culture before they peak. For example, when streetwear began merging with performance wear, Nike's models predicted that hybrid style movement early and launched campaigns that bridged that exact gap. The result? Nike didn't chase the trend, it defined it. Now, here's the real power move. Predictive branding doesn't just tell you what's coming, it helps you decide who your brand becomes next. AI enables what I call dynamic brand positioning, which is adapting your brand identity based on predicted shifts in audience values, not static personas. Imagine a coffee brand learning from AI that ritual and mindfulness are rising emotional drivers. Instead of just running caffeine focused ads, the brand pivots toward wellness narratives, aligning with future emotional contexts. That's not trend following, that's brand evolution with intent. AI driven prediction models can map 1. Which emotions your audience will associate with your category next to, what values they'll expect brands to uphold 3, and how your brand's voice should evolve to stay emotionally congruent. When this alignment happens, brands stop being reactive marketers and become cultural co creators. Let's wrap up with key takeaways you can act on. 1. Start with foresight, not hindsight. Use predictive analytics tools to look for leading indicators, not lagging data. 2. Combine human insight with machine intelligence. AI gives you probabilities, but human creativity gives them meaning. 3. Map emotion and behavior. Predictive branding isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding where cultural emotion is headed. 4. Test small, scale fast. Use AI forecasts to test micro campaigns before going all in. 5. Build adaptive brand systems. Your brand voice, visuals, and values should evolve dynamically with audience signals. The future of branding isn't about being the loudest, It's about being the most anticipated. When your audience feels like you just get them, that's not luck. That's predictive branding done right. So, next time you see a viral brand moment or a campaign that feels almost psychic in timing, remember it's probably not instinct alone. It's AI, foresight, and creativity working together. This is Rohit Shetty, and you've been listening to Digital Marketing with AI. If you found this episode valuable, follow and share it with your marketing peers who believe the best brands don't just react to culture, they predict it.